Flutter is an open-source mobile application development SDK created by Google. It is used to develop applications for Android and iOS. It's a cross-platform SDK to develop mobile apps. That means you write code once and run in multiple devices. In addition, Flutter is faster in development and more modular than all other SDK. In spite of being cross-platform SDK, Flutter is super fast. Installing Flutter SDK is one of the easiest jobs. Let's open a browser, go to flutter.dev, click on Get Started, and select your operating system. I'm selecting Windows. The system requirement for Windows is your operating should be at least Windows 7 SP1 or later and 64-bit. Your disk space should be at least 400 MB. Windows PowerShell version will be 5.0 or newer, and Git 2.0 or Getter should be installed in your machine. So make sure all the requirements are fulfilled. Now let's download the Flutter SDK. Let's scroll down and click on Flutter_Windows v1.9.1. After the download is finished, let's go to the directory where it's downloaded. Copy it, go to C drive, create a directory here and name it src, short for source. And in the source directory, let's paste the SDK and extract it. Click on the file and click on extract here. Remember, you have to select extract here. Now let's go to Flutter directory and check if flutter_console.bat file and the bin directory is here. Now let's go to bin directory, click on File Explorer, copy the path, open Control Panel, click on User Accounts, again click on User Accounts, click on Change My Environment Variables, click on Path, click on Edit, click on New and paste the path just copied, click on OK and again click on OK. Now run command prompt, write Flutter and press enter. Great, we are all set with Flutter SDK. Now it's time to download and install Android Studio. Let's do it in next lesson. Now it's time to download and install Android Studio. Let's search for Android Studio. Click on Install Android Studio and click on Download latest version of Android Studio. And click on Download Android Studio. Click on the checkbox I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions and click on Download Android Studio for Windows. Download has been started. Let's wait till it's finished. As our download is finished, let's click on the file to install. It's simply next installation process. We don't want to import any settings. We want to install the standard version of Android Studio. Now let's click on Finish to download all the SDK components. Now it's time to set up Android emulator. Let's run Android Studio. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. Keep everything as it is and click on Next. Again click on Next, Next, Next and click on Finish. Let's wait for application syncing and downloading graded. Click on Allow Access and wait for configuring and running the build. Well, at this point you may click on Send Usage Statistics to Google or Don't Send. I'm going to click Done set. Build completed successfully. Now let's wait till index it. Now let's click on Tools menu, click on SDK Manager and select Android Warrior. Now click on Apply and click on OK. And wait till downloading and installation is finished. Well, if you get a message like this, installation did not complete successfully, then just click on Finish and select the API which is partially installed and click on Apply again. Click on OK and wait till downloading and installation is finished. Our API is installed successfully. Now let's click OK. Again click on Tools and this time click on AVD Manager. Click on Create Virtual Device. Select a device. I'm selecting Nexus 5X. Click on Next. Here we can see a message. A system image must be selected to continue. Let's download API level 27 and wait till downloading and installation is finished. Click on Finish and now select the API 27 and click on Next and click on Finish. Now let's click on Play button to check the emulator. If you want to create and manage your Flutter app using Android Studio, then you have to install Dart and Flutter plugin in your Android Studio. So let's open Android Studio. If there is no project opened in your Android Studio, then click on Configure and click on Plugins. Make sure Marketplace tab is selected and search for Dart and install it. Do same for Flutter. And if there is a project opened in your Android Studio, then click on Tools, click on SDK Manager, click on Plugins, make sure Marketplace tab is selected, search for Dart, install it, search for Flutter, install it, and restart the IDE. And we are all done. Let's open a browser, search for Visual Studio Code, click on Download Visual Studio Code, select your desired installer and download it. I'm selecting Windows User Installer. And wait till download is finished. Now let's click on downloaded file to open and install. It's simply next installation process. As I have already installed it, so I'm skipping it. If you want to create and manage your Flutter app using Visual Studio Code, then you have to install Dart and Flutter extension in your Visual Studio Code. So let's open Visual Studio Code, click on extensions icon, search for Dart and install it. And search for Flutter and install it. Now let's restart the editor